Hey guys, I wanted to go over these documents again about the SA kit reports. So this this is one of the reasons why I am not convinced that there was no testing done on those swabs between 2001 and 2024. So I just brought up all of the reports just to go through them very quickly and just to see what you guys think. So, the first one was from 2016, and this was after a new law was passed, and it was about having better standards around SA kit collection and delivery to actually have them properly tested. And it was also about testing all of the previous ones that are older than 2015. So this, and then it was also written into the law that they have to do a report to detail all the numbers and stuff every year. So I've got 2016 through to 2023. So the SA kits that are prior to 2015 are called SB something. I don't know if it's on this one. Anyway, so they basically outsourced the testing of the older ones so that they could keep up with the current cases because they get quite a lot. So here it shows that in 2016 there was 4,000 plus test kits to be tested, and in 2017, here it is. The cases were received in response to Senate Bill 304. So that's what they called them. So when they're referring to SB 304, that's what they mean. So that's incident dates prior to 2015. And they'd found quite a lot at hospitals just in storage. So they used grant funding to outsource those kits being tested, and also for overtime to review the outsource reports and also to do in-house analysis. And you can see that there is 1,000 left in December 2017. Then in 2018, it's been completed, so there's 0. So that's pretty good. And I think Athens, Clark County actually had them finished even before that because they had already been collecting the old SA kits and stuff before this bill even passed. So that's it. So in 2018, there are no more SA kits remaining to be tested. You can see here, 0. This is 2019. And then it says that the ones that were prior to 1999, they just had a look at to see if they needed any DNA analysis, because that was obviously before there was any, and I don't know, I think maybe their processes would be different back then. 2020, again, 0. 2021, 0. 2022, 0. 2023, 0. So do we really believe that they wouldn't have submitted Tara Baker's SA kit? Especially because every time there was a cold case murder or any sort of media about like advancements in technology or just any media coverage over the years, they would, without a doubt, talk about the high profile cases that they are always looking at and always like retesting and all of that. And they always mention Tara Baker many, many times over the years. And I have included that in another video. So the other thing is the envelopes that they had in court for 2I and 2J. They look really new. They don't look as battered and bruised as the knife box. And they look really different to the slide packaging as well. So I wonder if they just, and this is just speculation, but maybe they conveniently lost the chain of custody between 2001 and 2024. Because if there wasn't any, the options are they didn't do any testing in that time span, but I mean, really. Or they did do testing, but they didn't find anything, so they can't go and find a new suspect in 2024 if they've already been unable to figure out whose DNA is on the swabs. And if they did that, they probably just lost the chain of custody, repackaged the swabs. Because the other thing is, like, the size of the cuttings. I don't know how reliable they would be after all these years, and if they've been, if cuttings have been taken more than once. Just so many questions and not enough answers. And I just don't trust any of them, really. But I would like to hear everyone else's opinions, because I do like to, I like to hear other people's opinions. So please comment and like and subscribe and all of that stuff. Bye.